Socca is a crispy chickpea flatbread from Nice in France. I'll show you how to make chickpea socca with smoky eggplant tapenade and wilted spinach. Let's begin by making the tapenade. In a food processor, combine olives, anchovies, capers, lemon juice, parsley, and pepper and blend until pasty. With the machine on, pour in just enough extra virgin olive oil to make a smooth, thick sauce. I'm using an olive oil with a ripe, fruity flavor here to complement the briny flavors of the tapenade. Allow the flavors to meld for at least an hour. Here, I have an eggplant that I've charred and scooped out all the flesh into a bowl. You'll want to mash it into smaller chunks. Combine the tapenade and the eggplant together and set this aside. Now for the socca. Combine all the ingredients for the batter and whisk together. Let the batter rest for 20 minutes. Heat an 8-inch cast iron pan in a 450-degree oven until hot. Add the half tablespoon of the remaining olive oil to coat the pan. Pour 1/4 of the socca batter into the pan all at once and place into the oven for 8 minutes until the batter has cooked through. Remove the pan from the oven and turn the socca out onto a cutting board to cool. Then cut each socca into wedges. To serve, place the socca on a plate topped with tapenade and some wilted spinach. Drizzle olive oil, honey, balsamic vinegar, and black pepper on the plate. This rustic street food makes an excellent appetizer. I hope you enjoy this chickpea socca with smoky eggplant tapenade and wilted spinach.